Imagine this. One morning, the world wakes up, and Earth has stopped spinning. No sunrise, no sunset, just endless day and endless night. And then, something even more terrifying. The moon, our constant companion for 4.5 billion years, is gone. What would happen to our oceans, our skies, our very survival? This is not just science fiction. This is a question of physics, of gravity, of the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. Today, we ask, what if Earth stopped spinning? And what if the moon disappeared? Part 1. What if Earth stopped spinning? Earth rotates at a staggering speed. At the equator, the ground beneath your feet races at 1,670 kilometers per hour. We don't feel it, but this constant spin shapes everything. It gives us day and night. It drives our weather. It stabilizes our planet's shape. Now, imagine it halting. Instantly. The result would be catastrophic. First, the atmosphere. While Earth's surface stops, the air above continues rushing at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. The effect? Global hurricanes stronger than anything in recorded history. Buildings torn apart. Oceans ripped from their basins. Entire continents scoured by winds. Next, the oceans. Water at the equator is held outward by Earth's rotation. Without spin, it flows toward the poles. The equator would dry into barren deserts. The Arctic and Antarctic would drown beneath miles of rising seas. And then, the day. Without rotation, one side of Earth faces the sun endlessly. A burning, searing desert world. The other side, plunged into eternal darkness, freezing, uninhabitable. Life as we know it could not survive. Part 2. What if the moon disappeared? But Earth's spin is only half the story. Our planet is locked in a cosmic dance with the moon. The moon does far more than light the night sky. It pulls on our oceans, creating the tides. It stabilizes Earth's tilt, keeping our seasons regular. It slows Earth's rotation, giving us the 24-hour day we take for granted. Remove it, and the consequences ripple across every corner of life. The tides would collapse. Instead of dramatic highs and lows, only small ripples remain. Marine ecosystems that rely on tidal flows, gone. Beaches, estuaries, entire food chains, erased. Without the moon's stabilizing pull, Earth's tilt could drift chaotically, sometimes leaning almost upright, with no seasons at all. Other times tilting so far that summers scorch, and winters bury continents in ice. The night sky would change forever. No familiar glowing orb, only darkness and stars. And with no moon to reflect sunlight, nights would be much darker. Early humans may never have learned to navigate by its light. Civilizations may never have been built the same way. The story of humanity itself could have been different. Part 3. History, Science, and Context. We take both spin and moonlight for granted. But in truth, they are fragile. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was struck by a Mars-sized object. The debris from that collision formed our moon. From the beginning, our planet's fate has been tied to it. The moon's gravity slows Earth's rotation by fractions of a second each century. In the age of the dinosaurs, a day lasted only 23 hours. In another billion years, it will last 25. This slow dance stabilizes Earth's climate, protects life, and gives us the rhythm of time. Remove it, and Earth becomes unpredictable, chaotic, hostile. Part 4. Cause and Effect. Step by step, let's walk through the nightmare scenario. Day 1. Earth stops spinning. Hurricane-force winds flatten cities. Oceans surge toward the poles. Millions are gone in hours. Day 7. The moon disappears. Tides vanish. Marine life begins to collapse. Fish that depend on tidal pools lose their breeding grounds. Birds, mammals, entire species, extinct. Day 30. Climate chaos begins. The sun bakes one side of Earth to desert wastelands. The dark side freezes into endless night. Only a narrow twilight zone between scorching heat and frozen death remains habitable. Year 1. Earth's tilt wobbles violently. Some regions lose all seasons. Others suffer extremes of heat and cold. Crops fail. Civilizations collapse. Decades later, Earth is unrecognizable. A broken planet. A graveyard of oceans. A world without balance, without rhythm, without hope. Conclusion. The bigger picture. The Earth spins, the moon shines, two simple truths that feel eternal, yet they are the fragile foundation of life itself. Without spin, without the moon, our planet would be unrecognizable. A world of chaos, a world of extremes, a world without us. It is a reminder. The balance we live in is rare, delicate, precious. A cosmic gift that allows life to exist, to thrive, to wonder. So we must ask, if the loss of spin and moonlight would end our world, what other hidden forces are protecting us right now? And what would happen if they too disappeared?